How to use Klarna on PlayStation Store. Hello everybody and welcome to our channel. Today you're going to learn how you can buy with Klarna on PlayStation.com. So please watch till the end to properly understand the tutorial. So basically the URL is direct.playstation.com, so I recommend you to find it in the description of this tutorial because it's not the same as PlayStation.com. It's direct.playstation.com. And here I'm gonna try to ship a PS5. Let's suppose. Okay, I'm gonna have different consoles. I'm gonna add this one. And now I must go to edit and check out. So there I have three different menus: the cart, the shipping, and the payment. So here in the cart, I'm going to go into the checkout. The shipping, you must to select the delivery if it's an standard or express delivery, your address and your email address. Once you have added all those data, you must continue to payment. And here in the last tab, the payment, you are going to be able to add your card number and some more data, but you can also use Klarna as a payment method, buy now and pay later. You're going to split your purchase into 4 interest-free payments or choose a monthly financing option issued by the web bank member FDIC, okay? And so more so, you must click here to continue with Klarna to log in with your credentials, and in that way you're going to be able to buy something here in direct.playstation.com. Remember, this is not the same as playstation.com. I have tried in that another specific website, and you can only pay with the credit card or PayPal. So here in direct.playstation.com, you're going to be able to buy with Klarna. So that's it. Thanks for watching.